Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, provided that you have WhatsApp account on your phone and you don't want your account to get hacked at any point in time, there are top security settings you need to turn on right now into your WhatsApp account. First thing first, open up your WhatsApp app. After you open up your WhatsApp app, go ahead and click on these three dots from the top corner. Proceed to settings. Go ahead and click on account. Go ahead and click on privacy. Then scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on privacy checkup. Then go ahead and click on add more protection to your account. So at this point right here, you need to make sure that you enable your two-step verification. If you have not enabled your two-step verification, open up your two-step verification and then go ahead and make sure you enable it. Once you enable it, this is going to be checked right here. And this is one of the great security you can attach to your WhatsApp account from being hacked. Next, passkey. Go ahead and open up passkey. If you have not added a passkey to your WhatsApp account, go ahead and click on add passkey. A passkey allows you to log in to your WhatsApp account with your fingerprint or your face or screen lock of your Android phone or iPhone. And this is another second layer of security you can, and this is one of the second layer of security you can give to your WhatsApp account for fully secure and locked down by external face or external person. Next, the last one here is recovery email address. Recovery email address is another great security you can give to your WhatsApp account should in case you log out unexpectedly from your WhatsApp account. A recovery email address will help you to regain access back to your WhatsApp account. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about this WhatsApp security protection in the comment section down below. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about WhatsApp topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.